The UP Assembly has been cordoned off after arrest warrants were issued against MLAs who were responsible for inciting mob violence. Now, warrants have been issued against 7 politicians. Meanwhile, the Samajwadi Party government has defended itself, calling the expose baseless. Well, Aditya is reporting on the story. Aditya, the question that will be on everybody's mind right now is, fine, arrest warrants have been issued, but how long for concrete action to be taken? When will these hate mongers actually be arrested? Aditya, if you can hear me, the question that's on everybody's mind at this point in time is, fine, arrest warrants have been arrested against 6 MLAs who are accused of inciting the mobs, but still no action on the ground. In fact, several of those MLAs were present in the State Assembly today, and they openly dared the Uttar Pradesh police to come and arrest them, saying that we are here, come and arrest us. So the question is, when will the government now actually take concrete action?
That's right, Nupur. In fact, the government has been accused of delayed action as well, and now we know that the UP Assembly has been cordoned off. Aditya is now back with us. Aditya, now clearly this is a situation that has been developing over the past 15 days. The Akhilesh government has been accused of inaction. Even now, what we are waiting for is concrete action on the ground.
That's right. The Akhilesh Yadav government is increasingly under pressure now. Yesterday, Times Now had exposed how action was not being taken on ground. In fact, from the horse's mouth, not just the politicians, but also the policemen who have been deployed here in Muzaffarnagar and the neighboring areas, going on to say how they were being told to act soft on the rioters. In fact, many rioters who were initially arrested were let off immediately. So now there has been a high-powered meeting in Lucknow. There was a meeting here in Muzaffarnagar. In fact, I'm standing right now in the district magistrate's office. Since last night, there have been 2 to 3 high-powered meetings in this very office, in which it has been decided that finally warrants are being issued for these politicians, and any moment now, today or tomorrow, these arrests will actually take place. There are at least 7 to 8 MLAs and leaders, senior leaders of Uttar Pradesh in that particular FIR who will be in fact arrested now. It was the Times Now investigation yesterday which revealed how the entire nexus is being operated here, which led to the killing and in fact violence in this part of Muzaffarnagar. In fact, right now the situation has calmed down, but still the police and the administration is being criticized by the local villagers. Right. In fact, the entire population of Muzaffarnagar going on to say that not much action has been taken, and those politicians who have been charged for inciting violence should be actually arrested.